This gorgeous custom home built by Brian Riker has everything you need to live comfortably. Multifunctional floor plan with 2 bedrooms on main level plus a full basement with ADA-compliant in-law suite with separate entrance and its own kitchen and laundry. Fully equipped kitchen and basement with refrigerator, range, microwave, and dishwasher. New vinyl flooring in basement. Upstairs you'll find a loft, bedroom, huge bonus room, and exercise room. 2 custom stone fireplaces. 3 huge pantries. 2 hot water heaters. Fresh paint and new carpet throughout. Move-in condition. Large walk-in closets plus walk-in storage. Spacious and plentiful rooms everywhere. You'll love the private rear yard with wooded view plus deck and lower level patio. Hard to find detached garage gives you storage for 4 vehicles. Membership available for Ridgewood Swim and Tennis Club. Convenient to great schools, shopping, and Lake Brent Marina and trails are just minutes away.